How to fix App Store not downloading apps. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device. Here tap on General and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Further tap on Reset and then tap on the Reset Network Settings option you see there. Now, go ahead and enter your passcode, and once entered, reset the network settings. Now, go ahead and check if your problem is fixed or not, and if not, then open settings again and tap on apps, and then tap on the App Store option you see there. Here, under the automatic downloads option, make sure the app updates toggle button is enabled. Also, make sure in-app content toggle button is enabled too, and under the cellular data option, make sure the automatic downloads toggle button is enabled, and further tap on the app downloads option and make sure ask if over 200 MB option or always allow option is selected. So, this is how you can fix App Store not downloading apps. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.